Hey there, thanks for joining me. We've got an extremely special episode planned for you today. Now, one of our favorite sites about animals is a website called stuffonmycat.com. Now, this site features tons and tons of photos every day, and the photos are of cats with stuff on them. It's as simple as that. You can put costumes or hats on your cat, or even maybe while it's lying down, balance some things on the actual body of the cat. And it's totally awesome. So what we did was got some exclusive photos from Stuff on My Cat. And we want you to tell us what your favorite Stuff on My Cat category is. We have two categories to choose from. The first one features cats in helmets. Now, there's plenty of cats in toy helmets and homemade helmets, but my personal favorite is the produce helmet, made out of fruit and other vegetables. Second, what we have here is a bunch of cats wearing glasses. There's the intelligent cats who have their reading glasses, and the more stylish cats who like to wear sunglasses. So what's your favorite? Do you like the cats in helmets or the cats in glasses? Leave us a comment and let us know your favorites. Now, we also put out a call for videos to all the readers of Stuff on My Cat. And right after this short animation, we're gonna see their awesome cat videos. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode, and stay tuned for next week's episode, which is a special Valentine's Day extravaganza. Bye-bye.